Hello, everyone, and welcome to the meditation channel. Let's begin. Close your eyes and get yourself in a comfortable position. Today's meditation is designed to help you release any toxicity, any negative emotions or heaviness that may be living in your heart at this moment. Life can be challenging at times, whether it's something that happened to you in the past or something that is recent. It can amplify the pain and the suffering that we experience every day. Even though we cannot control the outside, we can shift and uplift and heal the inside. And so taking a moment to feel this heaviness, to acknowledge this pain that you are carrying in your heart. And it's okay. Tell yourself it's okay and just be honest with yourself in this moment. Feeling is important. Being able to understand that we are not alone in our suffering. Each and every single one of us suffers. When we heal ourselves, we also heal others. In the end, we are all connected. We are all one. And so I want you to visualize this pain in your heart. Just visualize it as an energy or as a color or both. And just take a moment to thank your heart for allowing you to feel, even if it is something that is causing you pain. Thank yourself for being in tune with your emotions in this moment. But you are now ready to release this suffering, to let it go from your body, and to shift your frequency from pain to power, so that this pain may inspire you to take action to help another, to help yourself, to be better, to do better. And so calling forth your guides and your higher self to assist you in this healing process now, and visualizing a beautiful emerald green light shine upon you. A beam of this light reaches into your heart, connecting to this wound. I give myself permission now to release this frequency that lives in my heart. I give my guides and my higher self permission to help me heal and release this pattern, this trigger, this wound. I now gently and slowly replace this frequency with this higher vibration from my angels and my guides. I am ready, and so it is. And so see that dark energy gently, gently being removed and gently being replaced by that green energy. One leaving, one entering. Take some time now to visualize this and feel the release. Feeling your heart lighter and more open, gently detoxing this energy from your heart. And it's being replaced by this healing energy, but above everything else, this sense of belonging, oneness, and unconditional love. I will now state some affirmations as this healing takes place. All you have to do is listen and enjoy. I am worthy of love. I am worthy of healing, and I am truly blessed. I am open and receptive to heal. I open my heart to this beautiful frequency of love, of blessings, abundance, and joy. I am enough just as I am, and I am powerful, strong, and full of potential. I do not allow the darkness of this world to enter my spirit. My spirit is strong, my spirit is powerful, and I am a beam of light. I am lucky, I am blessed, and I am loved. All is well, all is healed in my heart. I am powerful, I am strong, I am blessed, I am the light. I have the power to heal myself and others by simply being the example. I love and approve of myself. I love and approve of my heart. I love and approve of my light. I am divinely guided, divinely blessed. I am all that I am. As I walk through this world, I heal everything that is around me and within me. I am lucky. I am loved, and I am loving. I walk this world with love, with light, and with blessings. My heart is healed, my spirit is light, and my mind is clear. I am a walking miracle. I am love. I am divine light. I am capable of anything. I am capable of transformation. All is well. All is blessed. All is enough. Today I declare my heart healed, I declare my spirit free, and I walk in my absolute glory of the light and blessings that I possess within me. And take a deep breath in. Let it all go. 2 more breaths. Deep breath in. And again, let it all go. Last one. Deep breath in. And a final sigh. Returning your breath to its natural rhythm now. Taking a moment of gratitude for this healing, for your strength. Taking a moment of gratitude for this stillness, for this light. And now that the healing is complete, that beautiful emerald green light begins to dim down, gently and slowly leaving. And your heart is glowing, clear, powerful green emerald light emanating and beaming out of your chest. Expanding your sense of love and oneness. Bring this light throughout your day with you, and remember, at any point, you can shift your emotions, your mind, your body, and your energy. All right, it's time to come back now. So slowly expanding your awareness back into your body, back into the space. Take your time, gently and slowly returning. Feeling your breath, feeling your body, and when it feels right, you can come back and open your eyes.